English and Emergencies. Rebuilding and Recovery After Natural Disasters. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic: how we discuss rebuilding and recovery after natural disasters. We'll learn some important vocabulary and phrases to help you communicate about these important processes. Remember, in times of emergencies, clear communication can make a big difference. When we talk about rebuilding and recovery, we're talking about the process of returning a community back to normal after a natural disaster. This includes repairing or rebuilding physical structures like houses and roads, but also healing emotional trauma and restoring local economies. Key words to remember here include rebuilding, recovery, repair, restore, community, economy. Rebuilding after a natural disaster is a complex process. It starts with cleanup and debris removal, then moves on to repairing damaged buildings, and finally constructing new structures if necessary. Key words to remember here include cleanup, debris, repair, construct. Recovery is broader than just rebuilding. It includes helping people cope with the trauma of the disaster, and getting community services like schools and hospitals running again. We use words like resilience, coping, and restoration to discuss this process. Key words to remember here include resilience, cope, restoration. Let's see how these words can be used in real-life sentences. 1. The cleanup process has begun in the city after the devastating earthquake. 2. Many buildings are under repair following the storm damage. 3. The recovery process after such a natural disaster is slow and requires resilience. 4. The local government is focusing on restoration of essential community services. Understanding how to discuss rebuilding and recovery after a natural disaster is crucial in English. This vocabulary can help you to express ideas and experiences related to these important processes, which can be especially useful in real-life situations. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these words in your conversations and writings. Until next time, happy learning!